Ethereum is an open-source, blockchain-based platform that enables the creation of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. It has its own cryptocurrency, ETH, which is used to pay for transactions and computational services on the network. Ethereum allows developers to build and deploy their own decentralized applications, which can range from simple financial contracts to complex, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. The platform is also used for decentralized finance, DeFi applications, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin is the first and most widely used cryptocurrency. The total supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million coins, of which 18.7 million have been mined as of January 2021. The value of Bitcoin is determined by market supply and demand, and it can be bought, sold, and traded on various online platforms. Polkadot is a multi-chain network that enables interoperability between different blockchain networks. It allows for the transfer of data and assets across different chains, enabling a wide range of applications and use cases. The native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot network is also called DoD. The network uses a unique mechanism called parachains, which allows for parallel processing of transactions, making it more scalable than traditional blockchain networks. Polkadot also uses a governance system where token holders can vote on network upgrades and changes. The technology is still relatively new and under development, but it has gained a lot of attention in the blockchain community for its potential to enable a new era of interconnected blockchain networks. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for decentralized applications and decentralized finance DeFi services. It uses a novel consensus mechanism called proof-of-stake time-posted, which allows for fast and efficient verification of transactions. Solana's architecture is designed to handle a large number of transactions per second, with its network currently capable of handling up to 65,000 transactions per second. It also uses a token called SOL, which is used to pay for transaction fees on the network. The Solana ecosystem has a growing number of decentralized applications, including decentralized